This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the dataset and confirming format because Excel handles CSV and XLSX differently. Open Excel and go to Data Get Data, choose from File and pick the matching type. When prompted, set encoding and delimiter so values parse correctly. Once done, preview the first rows to verify headers and sample values. Make sure the source file is closed by other apps. Then click Load or Transform Data to begin cleaning. This first step prevents common import errors. You now work in Power Query to make the data reliable. This is where the heavy lifting happens. Change data types first, because numbers or dates imported as text break calculations later. Trim whitespace and remove empty rows to tidy the dataset. Split or merge columns when delimiters or combined fields exist, and promote the first row to headers so Excel recognizes column names. Once transformations are set, apply filters, remove duplicates, and validate a few sample records to confirm correctness before loading back. You finish by loading the clean table into Excel. Choose Close and Load, then decide between loading to a worksheet or the data model based on size and analysis needs. Format the result as an Excel table, set column types, and add filters. Freeze the header row so navigation stays easy. Save the workbook and use Refresh to pull new source updates. If something goes wrong, like missing columns, check the Query Steps pane first. Revert or adjust the specific step that changed, then refresh to validate the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.